One of the things that really drew me to Siemens was I felt like I was doing great things for the world because trains are good for everyone. And I remember the first time I stepped onto a train when I started working at Siemens, and I thought trains are so cool. I'm Khaesha, and I'm the engineering project manager for the Amtrak Airo project. It's a $7.3 billion project. Different Amtrak vehicles are in various stages of production, and my role is making sure that production has a design that's manufacturable and making sure that the manufacturing line keeps running. I started at Siemens in 2016 as an industrial engineer in the weld shop, and I found that every time I've wanted to grow, there has been a place for me here. I grew up in St. Anne in Jamaica. I could see the ocean from my home, and it was a wonderful childhood. I could not have asked for better parents. They instilled values of going for what it is that you believe in and making a difference to the community. I always loved math ever since I was a little girl, and I thought if I could do math for a living, I would. So that's where my passion for engineering started. That grew into physics as I got older, and I won a prize. I came first in Cape Physics in the country. And I came to the United States to pursue engineering at Stanford University, and I thought mechanical engineering was the field where I felt like I could make things very physical. I could hold things in my hand, and that really appealed to me. My husband and I have a 2-year-old daughter, Shiloh. And when I first got pregnant, I was nervous because I didn't know how that was going to play out in a male-dominated space. But actually worked out very well. My management team was very happy, and they were fathers themselves, and they were all very supportive and giving me advice. So I was very happy. The return to work from maternity leave was very supportive, and I also got a promotion, which speaks for itself. It showed me that Siemens really supports mothers and working mothers, and going on leave doesn't affect your ability to contribute to the team, and that is recognized. Outside of work, I love doing yoga. My yoga practice now is something that I do with my daughter. And so it's definitely more playful. This is something that I use to balance work. I also love to hike. We go on hikes very regularly. Being in nature is healing. It's something that grounds me, and it brings me back to earth. Being seen means being able to be myself as part of a group. I have a very unique skill set, and having a place at Siemens where that is useful and appreciated is part of what it means to be seen. It's so important to help women feel comfortable in the engineering field. A male colleague of mine told me that his daughter entered a robotics competition that she was excited about. And when she showed up, she was the only girl there. And when she came home, she told him that she didn't want to do robotics anymore. And so it's really important to me to be a voice for women in engineering and to make the workplace a place where women can thrive.